What if I told you that you don't need a camera or even original footage to create viral reels that get millions of views? Let's get started.
All right, let's just jump right into this. You are looking at the absolute ultimate 2026 blueprint for dominating short-form content. Look, if you've been struggling to get views, or if you're just starting out and feeling kind of overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content everyone else is pushing out, take a breath. You are in exactly the right place. Welcome to this explainer on how to make viral reels using AI step by step. I'm your host, and today we are totally bypassing creator burnout and leveraging the full, raw power of modern AI to build massive audiences. 90%? Honestly, that is a staggering figure, but it is the harsh reality. 90% of manual reels absolutely fail. And why is that? Well, it's because creators are wasting hours of their precious time on the exact wrong things. They're using incredibly weak hooks, terrible pacing, and completely missing the mark on what the algorithm actually wants to push. But what if you could just flip that statistic on its head and do it without having to learn complex, old-school video editing? Here is our game plan for today. We're covering why most reels fail, finding viral AI ideas, generating voices and visuals, editing and auto captions, viral growth and posting hacks, and finally, mistakes killing your reach. Oh, and definitely stick around until the end, because I'm going to share my absolute favorite AI prompt that will literally change the way you generate content forever.
Okay, part 1. Why most reels fail. The hidden trap of manual content creation.
The divide here is super clear, guys. The old manual way, that means hours of tedious editing, constant creator burnout, and honestly, just guessing what might work. It's exhausting. But the 2026 AI way, we are talking mere minutes of work instead of hours. And it's all backed by data-driven scripts that are mathematically proven to engage, which leads to massive algorithmic reach. AI isn't just a cool tool anymore. It's the ultimate shortcut to scaling your ideas without scaling your workload.
Moving right along to part 2. Finding viral AI ideas. Let the algorithm feed you winning concepts.
So, the crucial starting point is the pre-production phase. Step 1 is AI idea generation. You seriously no longer have to sit staring at a blank screen hoping for a spark of inspiration. You just prompt the AI to analyze your specific niche and have it feed you proven viral concepts. Boom. Then, step 2 is AI scripting. You take that winning idea and tell the AI to write a concise, punchy script. But listen to me, here is the secret sauce. You absolutely must command the AI to include a relentless, curiosity-inducing hook right in the very first 5 seconds. Trust me, if you don't grab them in those first 5 seconds, the rest of your reel just does not matter. Okay, so we've got our script, but this next step, this is exactly where most creators hit a brick wall. You have the words, right? But how on earth do you turn that text into a captivating visual experience without dropping thousands on a whole production crew? Pay super close attention here, because this is where the 2026 AI workflow gets truly magical.
Part 3. Generating voices and visuals. Breathing life into your script.
Execution has become insanely simple. Step 1, create AI voiceovers. Guys, gone are the days of those weird, robotic, emotionless text-to-speech voices. Today's AI synthesizes incredibly natural, human-like voiceovers with perfect pacing and emotional inflection. It's uncanny. Then, step 2, generate AI images and videos. You literally just feed your script lines into visual AI generators, and they instantly spit out stunning cinematic B-roll, dynamic images, and high-quality visuals that perfectly match the vibe of your audio. The AI is doing all the heavy lifting for both sight and sound. I highly recommend grabbing a quick screenshot of this 2026 toolkit breakdown right now. Look at this. Whether it's idea generation, audio, visuals, or post-production, the cost for high-level, beginner-friendly tools in every single one of these categories is literally free. $0. You have zero financial barrier to entry to execute these steps right now. How crazy is that? All right, part 4, editing and auto captions, the magic of frictionless post-production. Now, this is the part where you can literally just sit back and let the AI edit while you go grab a coffee. Step 1, edit reels using free AI tools. You just drop your AI voiceover and your AI visuals into the timeline, and the software syncs them up perfectly all by itself. Step 2, create auto captions and subtitles automatically. Why does this matter so much? Because a massive percentage of viewers are watching with their sound turned completely off. Fast-paced, dynamic subtitles are absolute magnets for audience retention. They keep the viewer's eyes moving, and they keep your watch time incredibly high. Now listen up. Do not skip this next part if you actually want more views. Seriously, you've built this visually stunning, perfectly scripted reel, but if you don't know how to properly launch it, it's just gonna sit there in the dark with 0 views.
Which brings us to part 5, viral growth and posting hacks, hitting the algorithm at the perfect moment.
To maximize the reach of that awesome reel you just created, you have to trigger the algorithm's distribution networks. Step 1. Choose trending music. Even if you have a voiceover, adding a trending audio track playing quietly in the background gives the algorithm a familiar signal to push your content out there. Step 2. Write viral captions and hashtags with AI. Please don't guess these. Just ask your AI to generate highly optimized metadata tailored specifically for your niche. Step 3, post at the best time. Rely on actual data, not just a gut feeling, to catch your audience when they are actually on their phones scrolling.
Check out these bonus hacks. When you generate your script, you can have the AI instantly give you 10 SEO-friendly titles so your short is actually searchable. It can spit out 10 high-converting thumbnail text ideas to absolutely maximize your click-through rate. And it can instantly generate 20 viral hashtags perfectly tailored to exactly what you just created. Guys, it's literally like having an entire marketing department in one single prompt.
But we gotta talk about part 6, mistakes killing your reach, the hidden traps to avoid. Impartially speaking, even with the best AI, things can absolutely still go sideways if you ignore the basics. The most common mistakes you need to avoid include weak introductory hooks. Like I said, if you don't grab them immediately, they are swiping away. Poor pacing and a lack of visual changes. If the screen is static for too long, viewers just lose interest. Using robotic, low-quality voiceovers, you really must use the modern, emotional AI voices, not the outdated, clunky ones. And finally, ignoring audience analytics. You have to look at the data to see exactly where people are dropping off so you can tweak your very next prompt.
0. Absolutely 0. That is exactly how much prior technical experience you need to execute literally everything we've just talked about. You do not need to be a professional video editor, a master script writer, or some graphic design guru. The 2026 AI workflow levels the playing field completely.
All right, here is your ultimate master summary checklist. Grab your phone and screenshot this right now so you can use it today. First, generate your viral idea and script using AI. Make sure to get that killer 5-second hook. Second, create your human-like AI voice and your dynamic visuals. Third, combine them and edit with auto captions. Fourth, add that subtly trendy music to signal the algorithm. Fifth, apply your AI-generated SEO titles and hashtags. And finally, post it and track your analytics to make the next one even better. Oh, and as promised, my absolute favorite AI prompt is simply this. Act as a viral content strategist and rewrite this script to maximize audience retention in the first 3 seconds. Try that out and just watch your watch time soar. The AI is literally standing by, ready to do all the heavy lifting for you. It has never been faster, and it has never been easier than it is right now. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. What is your very first viral reel going to be about? Drop your niche and your favorite AI tool down in the comments below. I'd love to see them. If you found this explainer valuable, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge 2026 AI tutorials. Get out there, start prompting, and let's go viral.
And that's it. You now know the complete process. In 2026, creators who use AI will have a huge advantage. Hit for more growth strategies. What's the first AI reel? Thanks for watching and keep creating.